Welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Kasie. Today I want to talk to you about I'm the Chef 2. You might have seen it already on my channel once, but I thought, hey, tomorrow is Halloween. Got my little Halloween shirt on, and I don't know about you, but I've already been Christmas shopping, and I was thinking about some great gift ideas. And one of my neighbors has a little girl. She's a year and a half. And I thought this would be a great gift for her. So let me just get into the video. Okay, so I love the new Hasbro Baking Bundle from I'm the Chef. I have the boxes and I just wanted to take a quick little peek and show you. You know, I always have trouble opening some of these boxes. This bundle comes with 4 boxes. So you could buy the bundle, you could split it up and send it to different people. That's what I'm doing. So this one is, there's Candyland candy bars. This one is Prancing Pony Parfaits, so it's My Little Pony. And then there's Muddy Puddle Cookie Pies, which I already put names on it. And then there's I'm the Chef 2 Transformers Earth Spark Tree Pop. So I won't open this one because I've opened it in my previous video. If you want to go check it out, check it out. It is super fun. I believe that one was like more of a Rice Krispie tree, and then you put the edible picture of the Transformer on there. So nothing too difficult. Some have things you need to measure, some have things you need to melt, things like that. So let's check out Candyland candy bars. I think I'm going to send this one to my friend Rebecca and her girls, but we're going to peek at it and show you what's in it. So, oh, but I don't want to open it all up. But I told them I was going to show you guys, so I guess I could. But so it comes all in the box that I showed you, and then it's all wrapped in this cute little paper. Little chocolate chips came out of it. Sorry, my friend, but I'm going to show you. So it has this beautiful card for directions and things you can make. Here's what's included. There's colored chocolate, lollipops, sprinkled ice cream, gummy cones, mini marshmallows, whoa, mini chocolate chips, candy canes, gumdrops, cocoa beans, chocolate mold, candy bar wrappers, character stickers, sheet, and tin foil. And what you need is tape or glue, scissors, Ziploc bag, and vegetable oil. Wow. Okay, I think teacher Rebecca might love this one. I don't know. She might be like, Kasie, what'd you do to me? But I think this would be so much fun for her and her family. They do great family projects together. So design your own candy bar wrapper. And then here is talking about the chocolate making process. So I like that there's been a learning card with these as well. And this is make your own Candyland bar. And that's how you make the bars. There's a food safety card with all of them that I've found so far. It does talk about that it could have been processed near peanuts on the same machinery, so you need to take note of that. But you got little marshmallows and gumdrops. Oh, so cute. Sprinkles. Guys, look at the little lollipops. Oh, candy canes are broke, but they were broke before I got them, I think. And chocolate wafers, the colored chocolate. Little cocoa beans, and I think that's because it has a card talking about how it's made. And then the little blue wafers, chocolate wafers, and then the little chocolate chips, and then the little candy bar mold. So there's 2 molds here, and then I guess this is all to make your wrappers. And then here's all the tin foil. So, wow, so much fun. I love that one. I'm going to try to put this back as neat as I can, but not right now. And the next one is My Little Pony Prancing Pony Parfaits. And I think we're going to try to have a video on each of these. So teacher Rebecca said she would make one with her girls, and my neighbor said she was going to make one, and then I want to make one with my grandbaby too. So wow, these parfaits. Look at this bundle. So this one comes with those little parfait tubes. This one's mine. I'm keeping it, so I'll open this one. All right. Oh, man. We've got some food coloring. And look how bright and colorful the recipe cards are. And how to assemble your parfaits. parfait cake batter, magical pony salt sparkle art. Oh man, I really feel like teacher Rebecca would like that too. She loves all that kind of stuff. Okay, now I need to ask her which one she likes. Rebecca, if you watch this, let me know. Here's a little parfait cups. It comes with 3 of them, and it has My Little Pony stickers, powdered sugar. That's a lot of powdered sugar. Cake mix. Oh man, sprinkle. If I can get them out, those are fun colors. At the bottom, it looks like it's got like a coloring sheet or something in there. So those are the parfaits. I love it. Love it. See how much fun you can bake with the kids. They can add the oil. They can add the sugar. They can mix. Kids can really be involved in measuring, stirring. If they're younger, the fine motors, the stirring, the gross motors, like get them in the kitchen and learning. Sometimes they don't even realize that they're learning, right? Should I open this one too? I don't know. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these. I didn't realize, but it does say what the ingredients are on these boxes. They have like a used by date and things like that as well. All right, I'm going to open this one just because I said I would show you all 4 of them. And like I mentioned, the Transformer one is awesome, but it's already on my channel, so I don't know if you want me to go through that box again. If you do, let me know. Okay, and the last one, like I said, I'm giving this one as a gift too, so I don't want to ruin it all. But there's a lot in these little kits. This one is Peppa Pig Muddy Puddle Cookie Pies. And there's a whole list of things that are included. So when you make this one, you do need an egg, vanilla extract, unsalted butter. So a couple of different things. Heavy whipping cream, tape, and optional fresh fruit. So that's what you'd be making, little cookie pies. So much fun and how to make the cookies. I just love that they have these kits. They're prepared and ready for you. You need minimal ingredients. They come with little specialty things as well. They come with the tins that I need or you will need. I just think that these would really make great gifts, especially for family members or like grandchildren. Experiences, right? Experiences means so much to kids. We think just giving them all these toys, which, let's face it, parents don't always have room for all of these things. So I think they would really enjoy also having stuff that the kids can make, eat, consume, and get rid of. But again, you have your safety warning card. It came with flour and sugar and all kinds of fun little things. Even the salt, a little package of salt. And oh, let me show you these sprinkles, little star sprinkles. So this box is full of fun. And then we have the Transformer box, which I've already told you, already opened, already played with. But again, bright, colorful things. Like one of them, I love that it came with like a terrarium card, how to make a terrarium. And the Transformer one comes with how to make your own cyber sleeve. So not only are you cooking and things, but there might be like a science aspect of it too. So if you have questions, please put them below so I can look into them. I did add a link in the description box because I think kids and family will love these. I believe the link is 20% off. Let me know if it changes. And that's it. This is the Hasbro Baking Bundle. Hasbro Baking Bundle. Say that 3 times fast. So if you like this video or you need more ideas or you want to give ideas to somebody else, share the video. And that's about it. Ask questions below, comments. I love when you comment. And I'll see you all later. Thanks, everybody. Goodbye. Happy holidays. Soon. I'm not putting my tree up. Not yet, anyway. All right. Bye.